Another rainy night in Washington Heights, man. 189th Street. I said it was supposed to be a storm, but it looks kind of clear tonight. Let's go. Nice and clear. 189 the walls, right? Yeah, I said it's supposed to be a nice little storm, but it's nice and clear, baby. Just a little rain. Thank God there's no storm, man. People still outside, man. Looking for parking. Oh man, I feel sorry for them at this time, baby. Yeah. Everybody knocking some Z's right now. Everybody sleep. Nice and peaceful, quiet Washington Heights night. Good weather to get some sleep. Get your cuddle on with your honey. All the ladies with their men. It was a nice night to chill, man. Yeah. Nice, beautiful night, baby. Well, thanks God the storm's not that bad. You don't have a storm tonight. Thanks God. All good in the hood, baby. Quick little video of the Heights. I already know 189. Watch Heights. You know? Quick little video, baby. Just a little rain tonight. That's good.